Okay guys, welcome. And this morning, you know, we're at the USS Alabama. We're in Mobile, Alabama, and we're waiting right now to get inside. As you can see, the entrance, there's a lot of people there. And if you look in the back right here, you'll see the USS Alabama. And we're gonna get a ticket. If we get the ticket, we're gonna tour the ship, see if we can get as much as we can, and then we're gonna get inside. Okay, and also we're looking over here, and I think we're looking at a older type ship that's sitting up right here. Let's take a look over here and see what we got over here. Okay. And there's a lot of antique aircraft. A lot of antique aircraft just sitting to the side over here. Well, we're going to take a look at a few of these aircraft. And a lot of them look similar to what we've seen before. There's an older type ship. I don't know if that one is open for viewing, but we'll see about it when we get inside. But while we're at it, let's take a look at some of these jets while we wait for them to open so we can get a ticket. Some of these jets I'm pretty sure we've seen before, but we can never have too much footage of these jets, can we? Okay, Dragon Wagon. Okay. These jets are not really labeled like some museums we've been or see labelings, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what they are. Who knows, some of you guys watching probably flew some of these things, worked on them, whatever the situation is. Okay. If you look over here, okay, Blackhawk, and I'm pretty sure this type of Blackhawk's probably folded. It could be transported on ships or whatnot. Rescue Helicopter, or likely. And while we're at it, we're going to go over here where they have these Coastguard antique aircrafts and also boats. Rocket right here. And this is an ICBM. Okay, Redstone ICBM. Red sign right here. That's the engine. ICBM, intercontinental ballistic. This is an older type aircraft helicopter. Kind of like the CH-21D. CH-21D. Give us a closer image of this. Alright. This helicopter right here. Rescue helicopter. There's a rescue room right here. This is a U.S. Coastguard type deal. The blades are folded. It's also a U.S. Coastguard vessel. Also, we're looking at so they call this the Surfboat. Surfboat. With a 6-foot motor surfboat. That's what you're looking at. Here's a bigger vessel. Let's see what this one is. 41-foot utility boat. And for those who are just coming in, once again, we're at the USS Alabama, and we're in Mobile, Alabama. This is right off the Interstate 10. All right, let's take a look at this. This is also one of those Coast Guard helicopters. The Rescue lift to the side right here, hydraulic control. Sikorsky Helicopter Seaguard. So there's the information about it. Okay. Very rusty. Alright, so that's it for that. And that's the B1, I guess. And over there in the backdrop, there's probably UE helicopter. Okay, so it seems like they're open now. We're gonna go get our ticket and then definitely get inside, see what's going on in the USS Alabama. And we're also going to check out some of those planes.